Okay, in this video we'll be talking about how to add a picture in your blog post, and we'll also be talking about how to add a video in your blog post. So let's first talk about how to add a picture. Say if you've written your blog already and you've written the content, now all you want is to add a picture to it. So say for example, let me just pick one of these blogs, and I'm going to the edit option here because this blog is already written. So I go to edit option here, and if you're still writing it, then you don't have to go to the edit option because your blog will be right here. Now first find out where you want your picture to be in this entire blog post. Say for example I want it right here, right at the beginning of the post. So I put my cursor here, and then I go to this button which you'll see it says upload and insert, and if you toggle your button here, it tells you what kind of upload that you can do. So it says add an image, then that's what I want to do. So I want to add an image here. I want to add a picture to this blog post. So I click here, and as you can see here, it gives you an option to select the file. Go to select files. I'll just pick the federal housing logo, for example. And if you will see, the picture has now been uploaded. And then what you do, some of the other things that you should notice is it says you want to know where you want to align this picture. So in this case you can align it either to the center, to the right, or to the left. In this case I want it to be at the left. And you can also instruct on whether you want a medium size, a large, a full size, or do you want just a thumbnail. In this case, because this picture is relatively small, I'll probably take the full size here and say insert into post, and let's see what happens. Now as you can see, that picture has been inserted into the post. Now once the picture gets imported into the post, you may not like the size of it. So what you can do is, even after you have inserted it, if you go anywhere inside the picture and click on the picture, you get these two small buttons. This allows you to delete the image. If you don't like the image, you want to just delete it, you can do it. Or you can edit the image. So let's just click on the edit at this time, assuming we don't want to delete it. And then this is what you will see when you come to the edit option right here. And then you can change the size of the picture. As you can see, as I go down, the picture starts becoming smaller. So in this case, say if this picture was way too big for me, I'll probably make it 70%. I can change the alignment again if I want to. If I want to move it to center or right, I can do that, but I'll leave it at the left at this time. And then I go here and click on update. Now if you'll see, that picture has become a lot smaller than what it was earlier. So that's a way to insert the picture. Again, you decide where you want to insert it. You go to add an image. You can pull an image either from your computer by going here, or from your media library if you already have files there. And then once you have selected the picture, then you decide the alignment, you decide the size, you upload it, and then even after you have uploaded it, you have the option of clicking anywhere inside the picture, or either deleting the picture or editing the picture. And once you have done that, make sure you go to your update post button and update it, just to make sure that the picture that you just added is updated and it is there on the blog post. You may also like to preview it again, just to make sure that the picture that you added looks good and the formatting looks good in the actual post that will be published. Once you've done all that, then you can publish it, or again save it as a draft. Okay, now the second part of this video, I wanted to talk to you about how to insert a video in a blog post. So let's go and start a new post here. Let's just get away from this particular post and let me zoom in a little. So let's go to post, let's go to add new. Just leave this page here. Okay, and the way you add a video on a post is, of course, you put the title of the post. So say the title of the post is video how to write a post in WordPress. Say that's the title of your post, but you want to show this by way of a video. So what you will do is you will go to any of the video sharing site, and let's go to YouTube in this case. And from YouTube you would pick the video that you want to put on your blog post. Say for example writing a post and publishing in WordPress, if that's the video you want. So you can play this video right here. The video starts playing. Really, you don't have to bother about that. You can just pause it and come right here. See, you will see the options of a video URL and a video embed button. So all you do is you just click once here, and you can right click and copy it. Also, before you copy it, if you do not want to show related videos when the video actually plays, then you can just uncheck this button. I usually do that, and then again, as I said, just click one click in the embed box, right click, and then copy it. And then let's go back to our post here. We're back to our post, and what you will do now is, as you can see, we are writing everything in the visual mode, so we'll move to the HTML mode. Again, we are moving from visual to HTML mode, so we click the HTML tab here. We come here, and then all you do is right click and paste, and you can go and publish the video. When you publish the video, you will see that the video comes out as a post, and you'll be able to see the same video that you saw there on YouTube. Now, what if you wanted to write some text on the video and then embed the video at the bottom of that text? So what you will do is, let's go back to visual here, and maybe just let's delete this one right now. So let's say it's a new post that you're writing. Again, the title is video how to write a post in WordPress, but first you want to give an introduction to the video. So you will go here and you will say, this video talks about how to write a post in WordPress. So write whatever you want to and whatever text you have to introduce the video. And then once you have done that, then move to your HTML mode right here. So again, make sure you write the text in the visual mode, and then to embed the video, you go to HTML mode, and then right click and embed that video. Paste right here. So now when I publish it, and let's in fact see how it looks like when I publish it. So I publish it. Let's go to my blog main page and see how it comes out. See right there. If you can see it, this is how it looks like. So it says the title comes out, video how to write a post in WordPress, and then the text comes before this, which is this video talks about how to write a post in WordPress, and then the video gets embedded right here, which you can click and play that video.